You check your bank account. The number is the same as yesterday. It's the same as last week. And somewhere deep down, you already know it's going to be the same next month too. But the people who became millionaires didn't start with more money than you. Many started with less. So what actually changed for them? 3 habits, small ones, repeated so often they stopped feeling like choices at all. Thomas Stanley spent decades interviewing American millionaires for his research on wealth building. Most of them weren't celebrities with private jets. They were ordinary business owners and quiet savers living far below what they could afford. Here's the first habit. They buy assets before they buy comfort. Picture 2 people earning the same salary. One buys a nicer car the moment they get a raise. The other buys a small stake in a business or a rental property. Same income, completely different future. The car loses value the moment you drive it off the lot. The asset quietly earns money while you sleep. Ask yourself something. How much of your income right now is actually working for you? That question leads straight into the second habit. Daniel Kahneman, the psychologist known for his research on decision-making, found that people often chase decisions that feel good immediately, even when those decisions work against their long-term interest. You feel relief the moment you buy something new. You feel nothing when you leave money untouched in an account. So your brain, left unmanaged, always pushes toward what feels good right now. Self-made millionaires learn to notice that pull and pause before acting on it. Before a big purchase, they wait. A day, sometimes a week, just long enough to separate the feeling from the decision. Have you ever bought something exciting on a Tuesday and by Friday barely remembered why you wanted it? That gap is where most people quietly lose money. Now the third habit, and it's the one people resist most because it sounds boring. Self-made millionaires build systems instead of relying on willpower. Automatic transfers into savings the day the paycheck lands. Automatic contributions into investments before the money ever touches a checking account. Why does this matter? Because willpower is unreliable. It's strong Monday morning and weak Friday night. A system doesn't care what mood you're in. Economist Meir Statman has pointed out that people are far more likely to stick with a savings plan when the decision is made once, automatically, rather than repeated through willpower every single time. Put these 3 together and something shifts. Buying assets builds a second income. Noticing your impulses stops you from working against yourself. Automating removes the daily fight entirely. None of this requires a special talent or an inheritance. It requires building something slowly instead of chasing something instantly. So here's the real question. If your bank account looks the same next month, what does that tell you about the systems you have today? You checked your bank account. The number was the same as yesterday. But now you know exactly why. And more importantly, you know exactly what to change.